Getting ready to move and realizing you've got old electronics you don't need anymore? Instead of throwing them in the trash, recycling them properly is a smarter, safer, and more eco-friendly choice. Electronics contain materials like plastic, glass, and metal that can be reused, but they also have components that are harmful to the environment if dumped in landfills. So, the first step is to sort through your devices, things like old phones, computers, TVs, printers, and cables. Decide what still works and what doesn't. If an item is still in good shape, consider donating or selling it. Local schools, nonprofits, or community centers often accept working electronics. You can also sell them online or trade them in through programs offered by major retailers and manufacturers. For items that can't be reused, look for certified e-waste recycling centers. Many cities have drop-off locations or special collection events for old electronics. Stores like Best Buy, Staples, and some phone carriers also have take-back programs that safely recycle your devices. Before recycling, always wipe your data. Remove personal files and reset your devices to factory settings to protect your privacy. If you're short on time, some recycling programs even offer pickup services, which can be convenient before a big move. By recycling electronics properly, you'll reduce waste, protect the environment, and make your move a little cleaner and lighter. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email us at contactus@movers.com. You can also call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.